as they work their way off the Bentley straight for the first time of asking. Right, as well, but sad, I don't know that one position, so that's the work to do. That kind of working his way through is Ryan Smith on Ricky Collett, one of those who's involved in that bit of contact between himself and Tom O'Rourke, but as it stands, it's line third for all of the teams. Division 1 trucks as they head up to the completion of lap number 1, and in a straight line, Ryan Smith can't quite squeeze his way through, so up across the line he goes, and for some reason this weekend, Ryan Smith is not in his original truck, so I don't know what's gone on there, the reason behind that, but it's not his normal truck, is it?
No, no it's not, and with problems this morning surfacing very, very early on in the qualifying session, causing a red flag to come out. He's got all the work to do now, hasn't he?
Certainly has, still trying to hassle the back of Ricky Collett through the Wilson hairpin. He almost draws alongside, but the power is just not quite there to get the job done. So again, it's frustrating for Ryan Smith not to be able to get through as they turn their way down towards Palmer for the second time of asking. Division 2, by the way, that's quite close. Luke Garrett is now your leader of that. It's side by side for second, and that's just going to go the way, by the looks of things, to the number 6 truck potentially. So has that now evolved in front of us? Let's have a look as they work their way through. No, it's not. It's 92 machine, and I think that's the Division 1 truck just kind of in the way at the minute, which is Simon Faulkner. So he is trying to stay out of the way of the battle with Division 2. But as it stands, it is Luke Garrett that leads the way in that one, and again it's going to be the truck there to try and squeeze its way back through, which is Brad Smith. He gets back up into second of Division 2, and then the number 6 machine next up, which is going to be John Powell in staff.
So Stuart Oliver it is that leads. David Jenkins a little bit further back this time, as it was at the same part of the circuit on the previous lap. The gap between the top two and the position of one. Championship titles from Stuart's way. He's moved his way up towards Murray's onto the way. And distinctive number 7 of Stuart Oliver, and the gap has extended. It's now just shy of 1 second between first and second. John Newell completes the top 3.
I've done Ricky Collett a misjustice there, because I said he was trying to hold on ahead of Ryan Smith. In fact, it's a 3 truck of Steve Powell, so Ricky Collett's a little bit further up the road. It's Stephen Powell who's trying to keep Ryan Smith at bay as they work their way in towards Richie's corner now for the 3rd time of asking, and unfortunately into the pit lane has come number 5 Adam Finn. So the bonnet up on the number 5 truck, and for the Volvo machine, not going any further unfortunately with the issues that seem to be suffering that truck. Adam Finn, who comes in this weekend a little bit low down in the championship, but has been a 3-time winner.
He's a driver. He's been involved in the British Truck Racing Championship for many years. He does have his fair share of bad luck over the course of the season, and I do hope that this is not the way this weekend is going to go for him.
Tom O'Rourke is in some strife as well. He's going very slowly onto the Bentley straight, so he's well back from the leading Division 2 trucks, and he's very slow onto the Bentley straight. So Tom O'Rourke is working his way towards the end of the lap, but there's some issues there trying to find the gear, I think. So Tom O'Rourke has done the mandatory control alt delete, and hopefully that is going to work for him. Meantime, Ricky Collett back on form. This is the terminating W, but he's gone ahead of Michael Oliver now, so up into what's going to be 7th position. And I don't think we've been able to say this about Ricky for the whole season. It's kind of been down towards the end of the top 10, hasn't really featured in any of the races in terms of competitively from what we've seen.
the sunshine. They're coming up to complete now 3 laps into the book. Number
was trying to respond there on that lap. He's best of anyone through sector 2, so he's trying his hardest to get through here, but
Jack's only knows trying his hardest.
he does, doesn't he? Every single lap.
Only one mode.
Which is good. A little bit frustrating still for Ryan Smith. Can't find a way past Stephen Powell. Not the progress he was looking to make in his first race of the weekend for Ryan Smith. And with Stuart Oliver leading the race and essentially taking maximum points, that's only going to kind of eat into that 62-point margin that Ryan Smith has coming here this weekend. So Ryan Smith continues to push. He gets a little bit closer to the rear of Stephen Powell. This might be the job done he needs. He's going to run to the outside down towards Palmer. But for Stephen Powell, he has the inside line, he has the preferred corner apex that he needs, and as it turns onto the short straight down towards Agostini, he continues to try as the number 1 Ryan Smith machine, and unless he's late on the brakes, I don't think that's quite going to be job done, unfortunately, for the reigning champion. He'll continue to hassle the back of Stephen Powell, but without the speed, he's not going to find his way through that easily.
I know you did say this morning how many titles Ryan Smith has won now. Is it 6?
6, yeah.
6 titles. Yeah. So you can kind of understand that he's got in his target, in his sights, this magical 10 figure that Stuart Oliver, the race leader, has held. He's held that record for many, many years. At the same time that Michael Schumacher is catching up titles in the Formula 1 World Championship.
So we're waiting for the leaders to come back round to complete this lap. I think the duration was cut as well from the original 15 minutes down to 12, so we're trying to make up a little bit of time for the rest of the afternoon. Ryan tried to get through all those laps of Powell for another time, but he's not going to find his way through. He's up the road. Michael Oliver's trying to get his place back from Ricky Collett, which is the 7th place. So side by side they run. We need how that turn 1 on that one with him and Tom O'Rourke. Bit of contact, but Ricky Collett holds off this time from making contact with Michael Oliver as they turn their way now up towards the Wilson hairpin for the 5th time of asking. And what's happening in Division 2? Well, I can tell you that Luke Garrett is still your leader, but it's ever closer for 2nd place now, because up the head of the 3rd place man, which is John Powell, is going to be Brad Smith here. So we've got 2nd and 3rd very close together. And to be fair, they are making inroads in towards Luke Garrett as well, because the gap there is 1.1 seconds. So Division 2, 3 for the lead as it stands. They work their way now onto the hairpin at Wilson.
So I'm just checking, there is a message on the timing screen, a couple of the transponders. I wondered if it's David Jenkins for a moment, but it's not. So 68 and 89, the 2 trucks which are struggling a bit with their timing transponders, which is a problem not for us, it's a problem for TSL timing. They switch instantly into manual timing mode, so it takes a couple of moments for the times to be uploaded to the timing screen, and they do an incredible job when we just sort of gloss over it. So it's CI and PCI don't have a working transponder.
Although saying that, Jenkins is a lot closer now on the front lap, down to the front lap, still back in the line, so he's got no power to line first. We're about to find out. Stuart Oliver comes through. We've got the back marker of Tom O'Rourke with flaming bodywork as well, but I think he's just about to stay out half's way as the checker flag for the first truck race comes through. It's Stuart Oliver who takes a win for only the second time this year in the British Truck Racing Martin Taylor comes through, which could be 5th place, and then Craig Reed, Ricky Collett, Michael Oliver, and then for 9 in that race, later on this weekend, there's still going to be hard work to do with the reversal of race 3.